Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to DIP&ART. And in this new class of Diwani Jali script, we're gonna learn how to write fa and kaf. Our first move is of 1 dot width and little bit curvy. Start the second move where you ended the first one and then take it back to the left and then move it downward. Just like we make in the head of letter Wow. Bottom part of the letter Fa is not completely round. It is slightly flattened, just like the shape of a bean. Bean is slightly flattened at the bottom, and then keeping in mind that there is a 5 dot space in the bottom. Finishing the letter with a thin tail. It should be thin, as I'm showing here, just like that. Let's write it one more time. Moving towards letter Kaf. First shape is just like the start of letter Fa and then ends up with a very round bottom. Keep in mind the 3 dot space and also 2 dot height. Last move should be ending here, and that's it. There you have a letter Kaf. First moves this and take it upward and then take it back to the down. This is the second type of Fa we are writing here, and which is 4 dot length, and its head should be 3 dots in width. Let's write some combination. In making combination, there is a different shape we use, which makes the cone shape, just like that. This is also used. There is a space of 1 dot in between this cone. Let's try writing those words in an example, which is fakat, fa, kaf, and toa. And another example, and then we are done here. I hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next video, inshallah. This is me, Ikra, signing off. Fi amanillah.